class. Today is actually Wednesday, but I'm pretending it is Friday. So today is Friday, October 2nd. I am not with you because I am getting married. So I want you to watch this video, do the assignments within the video, and then at 10 o'clock, go to your walk to learn. Even if you're in my walk to learn, Mrs. Brown and Miss Leon will be there. So please go to your walk to learn. All right, we are going to start with math. You should have this green sheet. Pull it out. And again, you can pause throughout this video. I'm going to go a lot quicker, but again, please pause it. All right. You are going to find someone at home. You are going to play rock, paper, scissors. You are going to play with them, let's say 8 times. 8 times. So I forgot to write. Play 8 times. Or at least, you can play more than 8 times if you want. Honestly, do as much as you want. All right, so when you are going to play with someone, I'm going to pretend this is my friend Daisy, and this is me. So you're going to play. All right. Yes, I said this is me. So I got scissors. So I'm going to put 1 tally mark. I'm going to keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Oh, I got rock the second time. So I'm going to put a tally mark. Keep playing, keep playing, keep playing, keep playing. Oh, I got paper. So you're just going to keep playing. You go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper. Actually, I take this back. You're going to have to play a lot. I want you to play. Try to play 20 times. You're going to have to go quick because I want you to have a lot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper again. Okay, so you're just going to keep playing, keep playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to make sure I have 20. So let's put 3 up there. 4 right here. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right? But I want you to actually play because it's fun. So you want to have about 20 tally marks. Then you're going to turn your tally chart into a frequency table. So we have numbers. So up here I have 5. So remember, we turn it in. So we have 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6. So down here, I played rock 5 times. I played paper 9 times, and I played scissors 6 times. So what action was played the most? I played paper the most. What action was played the fewest? So the smallest was rock. How many more students chose the action played most than the action played the fewest? So now you're comparing. So how many more students chose the action played most? So the action that was played most was paper for me. And that was 9 times. The action played the fewest was rock, which was 5 times, okay? So there's my van. Those are my key numbers. So I'm going to do 9 subtract 5 is 4 more times. Okay? How many total actions were there? So these are all actions, right? Rock, paper, scissors. So I'm going to add them up. I have 5 plus 9 plus 6. So we have 15 plus 5, 20. Because we want about 20 actions. Good. So you need to finish this, but then you need to create a bar graph and a, why am I blanking? Picture graph. Now, my numbers are a little tricky because I don't have, oh, actually I do. Okay. So on the back or a separate piece of paper, it's up to you. And it does not need to be pretty because I do not have a ruler. I thought I brought one home, but I didn't. So I'm going to create my picture graph first. So I'm going to have my title. My title is going to be rock, paper, scissors. It's going to be that because my title on the front is rock, paper, scissors. Keep it the same. Now I need my 3 categories, my actions. So I have rock, paper, scissors, and then I need my key. So the bottom is going to be your key. And if I have 5, 6, and 9, okay, let me think. 2, if I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, I hit 2. Let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9. Oh, so 3 works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me. And I'm just going to pick a star. So each star equals 3 actions because I'm calling it, actually, no, we'll call it time. So 3 times. So each time you see a star, you're counting by 3s. And that's how many times my, oh my gosh, I made a beautiful oops. That is not going to work. You know what? See, even I make a beautiful oops because I need a star to hit 5. Half of 3 is 2.5. That's just going to be a lot of issues. So you know what? I'm going to make each star 1. So I'm going to make it each 1. So what I'm going to do is for rock, I got 5. So I'm literally going to draw 5 stars. You can do that just as long as your key matches, okay? So I have each star is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, teachers even make beautiful oops, so don't you worry when you make one. 6 was scissors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oopsies. Of course my pen's gonna stop working on me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 9 is my paper. All right, that is my picture graph. I'm gonna have to use pencil. I hope you can see it. I don't have another pen on me. So, picture graph. Then you're gonna do a bar graph. Your title stays the same. We learned that. So, rock. Goodness. See, even running out of pen and pencil happens to teachers. So, rock, paper, scissors. Now we want to figure out where we want to write our categories and our numbers. I'm going to write the category on the bottom, and our category is action, because you're doing an action with rock, paper, scissors. So that's what we're going to call action. So we have rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Then we're having number of, we need our number. So number of times. So it's how many times you did rock, how many times you did paper, how many times you did scissors. Now, usually we draw a scale, but remember I figured out that I don't have anything that works with the numbers I have, so I am just going to keep it by ones. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, so I don't have enough room. So I'm going to make it smaller. Usually that's why we do a scale, but that didn't work. That's okay. So I'm going to do 0, make it a little smaller, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you always want to do one above. So rock, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because each star is only one time. So I'm going to go to 5. So there's my 5, and you can make it pretty. Paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to go to my 9 and kind of draw it over. And you can color it in. Scissors, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my scissors, my 6. I'm going to kind of go over. And there's my scissors. Then you can color it, make it pretty. All right, that is your map. Pause. Do whatever you need to do to work on that. And then pull out your turn practice book. And turn to page 23. Okay. For homework, you are going to read the passage, use the ask and answer question strategy to be sure you understand what you read. All that means is you are just paying attention as you read. And after each page, I want you to review it in your brain of, okay, what did I just read? Okay. So you're going to read the front and the back. And then you are going to answer the questions 1, 2, and 3. And I will restate these with you because we always need to restate. So number 1, what happened during the winter at Joseph's grandparents' store? So we're going to start. During the winter at Joseph's grandparents' store, then you're going to write what happened. Number 2, what happened next after Joseph read stories to his sons? After Joseph read stories to his sons, and then you are going to write your answer. This is just restating. I'm helping you restate, and then you need to answer it. Number 3, reread the 5th paragraph. What did Joseph do after he began to write stories? So you say, after Joseph began to write stories, and then you're going to write what happened. So after Joseph began to write stories, then you're going to write what happened. You never do B. Okay, so I want you to pause, read the story, work on that. Then turn to page 27. We're working on compound words. This is something we're going to do more next week, so I kind of want to introduce it so we can go over it. So we're going to underline the compound word in each sentence. So underline the compound word, then write its definition. Oops. And then we're going to use a dictionary to help you. Guess what? We don't have a dictionary, but you do have Google Dictionary. So we're going to practice using that, because now that's how we will look up words. That's how adults do it now. So his grandfather showed him how to walk softly through the woods. Compound words are 2 words put together to make one word. So his, we can't split that up anyway. Grandfather. Grand is a word, and father is a word. But when you put those 2 together, you get grandfather. So grand is a separate meaning. Father is a separate meaning. But when you put it together, it means one thing. Showed him. Show and ed. No, that doesn't work. Him, we can't split it up. How? No. To? No. Walk? Mm-mm. Softly? No. Through? No. The woods? No. So now we have grandfather is our word. So we need to underline grandfather. And I'm going to show you, we're going to share the screen, or I am. When you go into a new tab, I want you to Google Children Dictionary. So pause, so you know how to spell it. Pause, okay, enter. And what I want you to click is dictionary.com. Oh, no, why? That usually pops up. Okay, let's do, so sometimes that works. So let's do dictionary for kids. Perfect. So click the first one. And now you're going to type grandfather. What pops up is the father of one's father or mother. So it's saying your dad's dad or your mom's dad. So we're going to write that in. The father of, oopsies, beautiful, oops, of one's father or mother. Good. So write that down. Oh, you can't fully see. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Hopefully you can see it a little better. Our next one is he liked to read storybooks about animals. So he is not a compound word. Liked. Like is a word, but D by itself is not. Two, nope. Read, you can't split that up. Oh, but storybooks. Story is a word by itself. Books is a word by itself. So that is a compound word. And then about is not one, and animals is not one. Animal is a word, but S by itself is not. So now we're going to look up storybooks. And of course, it's not going to tell you. So I'm going to tell you. So a storybook is a book that tells a story. So a book that tells a story is a storybook. And remember, pause whenever you need to work. Number 3, there were plenty of bookshelves in the house full of books. There is not a compound word. Were is not. Plenty, nope. Of, nope. Bookshelves. It looks like there's 2 words in here. Book is a word by itself, and shelves is a word by itself. So bookshelves is 1. In, no. The, no. House, no. Full, no. Of, no. And books, still no. Book is a word, but S cannot be a word by itself. So our compound word is bookshelves. So let's see if this is in our dictionary. It is not. How about bookshelf? I am sorry, guys. I sent you to not a great dictionary, but that's all right. I got it up here in my head. So bookshelves are shelves that are full of books. And that's where it says right here. So shelves that are full of books. And our last one, I want you to try to do it on your own, so pause and try it out. But he still lives in the hometown where he grew up. But is not. He, no. Still, no. Lives, no. Live is a compound, or live is a word, but S by itself is not. So it's not a compound word. In, no. The, no. Hometown, yeah. Home is a word by itself. Town is a word by itself. But together it has a different meaning. So hometown. Were, no. He, no. Grew, no. Up, no. So hometown. Let's see if this website is good with us. Good for us. Yes, we have hometown. So the city or town where one was born or grew up. Good. So go ahead and pause that if you need. All right. And so you need to finish your math for today. Read the story from our Practice Your Turn and answer the 3 questions. Finish our compounds worksheet if you are not following along. Then you need to read for 30 minutes and then have an amazing weekend. I miss you all and I'm so excited to see you on Monday.